Since it opened in 1938, Hatties and Saratoga Springs are often mentioned in the same breath. Hatties has served fine Southern and Louisiana cuisine in a friendly, down-home atmosphere for close to 80 years and has earned legions of fans. Over its long history, the restaurant has provided consistent commitment to its staff, its customers, and the community, and the original storefront Chicken Shack has grown from a beloved neighborhood restaurant to a national institution. As a young woman, Hattie left St. Francisville for New Orleans, where she went to school and lived for several years. While visiting her sister in Chicago, Hattie met and began working for A.E. Staley, a family that made a fortune processing cornstarch into household products. For many seasons, Hattie traveled with the Staleys between Chicago, Miami, and Saratoga Springs. By 1938, Hattie had saved enough money to leave the Staleys, move permanently to Saratoga, and open Hattie's Chicken Shack. Describing Saratoga in the late 30s and 40s, Hattie said Saratoga was fast, man. It was real fast. It was up all night long, thriving in her Federal Street location for 30 years. Hattie was open 24 hours a day, providing hospitality to the late-night crowds that frequented the gambling dens, speakeasies, and smoky jazz and blues clubs of Saratoga's west side. When urban renewal came to Federal Street in the late 60s, Hattie relocated the restaurant to its current location at 45 Philer Street.
What's going on, my hungry humans, and welcome back to the Hungry Road. First, let's look at this absolutely beautiful drink in front of me. We'll get to that in a second, but first, it's time for a history lesson. I am here. Wait. Smash the subscribe button. If you haven't done it already, I appreciate it. Thank you. And more like the video while you're at it. But anyway, we are here at Hatties here in Saratoga Springs, New York, and this place is full of history. So let me give you a quick rundown here. Hattie, I don't know her last name. She was born in like the 1900s area and somewhere in Louisiana along the Mississippi River banks, but her mom died during childbirth, so there's actually no official record of her being born ever, which is pretty crazy to me. But let's fast forward. In her youth, she visited her sister in Chicago. She went to a place called A.E. Staley. They did like cornstarch processing and whatever, things like that. And then she got a job at the place, which I already said that. But she traveled between Chicago, Miami, and Saratoga Springs. See, the pieces are coming together now, all right? So by the time in 1938, she probably almost getting in her 40s, she saved enough money to open up Hattie's Chicken Shack, which is the original location. I'm not sure if where I'm sitting is the original or if it's somewhere else. I've heard two different things, but the rest is kind of history. So back in like the 40s and the 50s, Saratoga Springs was hopping. The horse races, this place was open 24 hours a day. She was slanging chickens left and right. It was crazy. But things have calmed down now. Hattie has since passed on, and the restaurant has been moved a couple different times to 4 different owners. So Hattie being the first, then there was a second dude, then there was a third sort of family, but they weren't really restaurant people, so they handed it to a new business called, is it Do Good? I have it right here. It's called, like a little badge here. It is called Business for Good. So I really want to harp on Business for Good. This is an awesome program. I've never heard of it before. So Business for Good is a big giant umbrella business where they buy small businesses and take all the profits and donate them all to charity. But that's not it. They donate the profits to charity, but then they pay their servers a living wage. They give them benefits. So it's like the most stress-free job ever. I'm sure, yes, you got to sell stuff in order to be able to make your own, because profit is anything over, you know, paying employees and keeping the lights on and oil and food or whatever. So that's absolutely amazing. So this Business for Good, they also own another restaurant around the corner called the Bread Basket, I believe is what it's called. So it's an absolutely amazing business model. I've never heard of it. I think a lot more businesses should be like that, but that's pretty cool. Did I miss anything here? No. So let's get to the drink here. So we have what's called the Hatties Mojito. Very simple menu, nice white, black, red print, no big deal. Drinks on one side, food on the other. So Hatties Mojito, a Hattie's favorite. A blend of light rum, fresh muddled mint, lime juice, simple syrup, and garnished with a sugar cane. I know what this was when I first saw it, real sugar cane. I've had this when I was in Australia. You can just break the sugar cane and then eat it. Like, it's incredible. Let's go to give it a good stir here and a sip, no straw. Oh, that is so refreshing. It's not terribly minty. It's very light. You stir up some more. I want to taste some lemon. I might ask for another shot. But no matter, this is a very good, very nice, summery, light, thirst-quenching drink. Let's try that sugar cane out here. Give it a good bite. Takes me back. Now, Hatties is known for their fried chicken. So that's what'll be coming out here in a little bit. OMG, the food has arrived. You know I had to get what Hatties is known for. Nice soul food, down home cooking. I just came straight from the gym, so I had to work off what I was about to eat before I ate it. Life's about balance, you know how it works. But anyway, so I got Hatties' famous fried chicken. Now I've asked them what's in it. They won't tell me. Fine. It's a closely guarded secret for like 84 years. I ain't tripping. Somebody liked it. A whole lot of people like it because it's been around forever. So this is, you get a breast. It's like a breast, wing, thigh, and a leg. And you get two sides. Now I got the red beans and rice and the cucumber salad. I got something healthy on this plate, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the wing here. So this is Nashville Hot. This is like Nashville Hot. It's just like a hot sort of sauce. It's a little oily. Look at that. Check it out. Smells incredible. Oh, it's dripping all over the table. Let's go ahead and tear it off. ASMR. Oh yeah, see that came right out the bone. Oh my goodness, let's go for it. See, Nashville Hot is different. I want to say it's an oil-based spice, and it's not really like a sauce. It's like a base. It's hard to explain. It's good. It's deep. It's really, really deep flavor. It's a little oily. That's what soul food is. Cooked with butter and all that kind of stuff. But it's not overly salty, and I like that. Because you can definitely over salt some of this stuff and make it way too crazy. Let's get another bite here for the culture. You know you want to hear that again. That crunch. Oh my goodness. Let's move on to one of the sides. So I got the red beans and rice here. Check them out. Come in a nice little dish here, nice and separated. Look how, can I do a blizzard test with this? Check this out, hold on. Oh, it's starting to fall out, but that's okay. So the key is to mix the beans and the rice together. I'm not gonna waste all that time right now. We're gonna grab some beans, we're gonna grab some rice, and then we're gonna just do the damn thing. Very mild spice, right in the beginning with the beans. As soon as you touch your tongue, very, very mild, like a 2. All right, it's building, maybe a 3. Rice is cooked perfectly, nice and soft, absorbing the sauce that's in the red beans right here. This is fantastic. Again, not overly salty. It's soul food, and usually soul food is known to be really, really salty, but this is not salty, and that's a plus in my book. Nobody needs their blood pressure going sky high just because they want to have dinner. All right, y'all, before we get to the main event, the original fried chicken, we're gonna try this cucumber salad out. Now it smells very vinegary. Looks good though, looks super healthy, which I need right now. I need all the vitamins, all the nutrients. You get some onion, some cucumber here, check it out. Nothing too crazy. Take a good bite. There's vinegar there for sure. It almost tastes a little bit pickled. Very good. I don't know what you would add to it. Maybe some tomatoes or something in here, which is very good just by itself. Again, it's super, super healthy for you. I mean, vinegar's not bad for you, is it? Let me know in the comments below. This is very good. Nice. I mean, I never had a cucumber salad before, so I'm gonna keep eating this. We'll move on. All right, y'all, it's the moment you've been waiting for. It's time for the booby piece, the original fried chicken. You get it? Booby piece, breast wing. Ha 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 ha. Check it out. Huge. Look at that crispy skin. Listen to it. Oh my goodness. Just pull it apart. Steam. Cooked well. Look how juicy the inside is right there. Oh my goodness. I don't know where to start. Right here. Speechless. Now, how do I break down these seasonings? There's garlic, definitely salt, definitely pepper, paprika maybe. Hold on. It's so good. The onion powder? I can't break up all the seasoning because they're cooked together so well. They've been doing this for 80-some years, so Hatties, keep doing the damn thing. All right, so while I'm sitting here eating, I noticed there is a Hatties Hot Sauce. Check that out. That looks pretty original. It's got a little chicken on there. Let's give it a shot. Let's see. Louisiana hot sauce is usually a little different than like Frank's. Let's go ahead and load it up here. Oh, and a life hack at the same time. Eat your chicken over your sides, because that way, when the chicken flakes off and stuff, it falls in and you get more seasoning. It's brilliant. I patent that. I'm sure I did. That's a rich hot sauce. It's thicker than like that loose Louisiana in a bottle type stuff. Very good. Not terribly hot. Probably a 3. Powerful, full of flavor. This chicken doesn't really need it, but is it an enhancer? Let me try again. Dump a little bit more on here. We got a little. Oh, it just falls off the bone, guys. I'm telling you. Do a little bit more on here. It's so good, man. What's in it? I won't tell. Of course, I won't tell them what's in it. How about over here? Louisiana hot peppers, distilled vinegar, salt, and vegetable gum. That's a thickener. Man, good job. Good job, Hatties. My goodness. Oh, and for the record, you're not supposed to eat these. You're supposed to chew on them. And you get all the sugar out of it, and all the flavor. You would chew on it a lot longer than that. And you break it off, and move to the next piece. But anyway, guys, that concludes this video of The Hungry Road. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Get out there, support your local businesses. Eat in, tip, leave good reviews on Yelp, TripAdvisor, Google. Let's keep these places afloat. These local businesses will keep the economy going. You know, the little people, man. Like all the big guys, man, they don't even pay taxes. Anyway, take care, guys. Stay safe. Thank you.